Tommy, do it. Oh, Daddy, help right there. Go, do it.
This one's not very exciting, but...
It's okay. He likes tearing things apart, huh? Go. Oh, it's a Christmas ornament.
Is that your ornament?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Look. It's the ornament we'll hang it on the Christmas tree, okay?
I'll hang it.
You hanged it.
I did.
Yeah, more.
Hold it.
All right.
For the Christmas tree. Hold it
There.
for the Christmas tree. Rip it open.
Oh,
Good job.
keep going. You want to open more?
Yeah.
Okay, let's open more. Here, open that one.
Daddy.
Daddy, help?
Daddy.
Okay, go. Oh!
Who is that? That lightning?
Okay. Whoa. There's a open. Colors.
Colors?
Colors.
More colors? Oh, more colors?
Open.
Oh, you want to open more?
Yeah.
Here, let's leave that one. Okay, open more.
Please get the hang of this. Okay, let's do that one. This one's from Santa.
Chocolate.
What did Santa bring you?
Doggy.
Doggy.
Did Santa bring you a doggy?
Does he walk?
Watch.
Watch the other one.
Okay.
Okay.
Doggy. Okay, start ripping it.
Daddy, happy.
Go.
Open.
Go.
What is it?
Jammies!
Daddy's doing.
Jammies!
Daddy, I'm on.
All right.
And a shirt, too.
Here, buddy.
There's a shirt.
There's one for Thomas. Open.
I want Daddy, happy this.
We'll turn it on after in a little bit. Look, more.
Got one more. This is all, buddy. This is the last one.
Out of control.
In honor of the president. Show Mommy what it is. It was also on sale. What is it? Is it baby?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And this.
You got a baby?
Daddy, under this.
You got a baby?
Yeah.
A little black baby.
Open it.
You want it opened? Open up his baby while we...
Did you get all these new presents?
Yeah.
Did Santa bring them?
Yeah, but tell me.
Yeah. Sounded like he said, duh.
This. Open.
Open.
Okay, just a minute.
Wait. Daddy, take it. Tummy doll.
Daddy's opening Tommy's doll.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's cars.
Yeah. Yeah. Did you get cars and a doggy?
There's a target.
Yeah.
A target cars.
Yeah.
Okay, now.
And did you get pajamas
Yeah.
and a piano
Piano.
and colors?
Colors.
Oh, so fun. Oh, is that your baby?
Your baby's name is Keith Donald.
Open cars. Open the cars.
Okay, we'll open it once Mommy and Daddy are finished opening, okay?
Oh, new shaving stuff. Just what Daddy needs.
Yeah.
Thank you, babe.
You're welcome, honey.
Oh,
I just open it.
Okay, you want to open this last one?
Yeah.
Okay.
look it.
Open it, Daddy's
Look at that.
Open it, Daddy's shirt.
This one's for Tommy.
Yeah.
That one's Tommy's.
Yeah.
Who's on there?
Oh, talking.
Just pushes it out of the way.
Open it.
You guys both got fun sweatshirts, buddy. They match, kind of.